Ipet ko na dong. Ipet. Wow. Ipet. Ganahan na siya ipet. Mas puppy boards. Oo. Diba siya ipet mo dong?
Kamay nga naman siya, no? May nga naman siya. Hey guys, welcome back. And today, we're gonna see some deer bow.
Deer bow.
Yeah, no.
We're going to Nara Park.
Yeah. There's some deers that bow to you. Yeah. Let's go. So we're here in Nara. Let's go.
Okay, so we are going to walk to Nara Park for 7 minutes.
Yeah.
So, galing tayo dun sa Nara Station. 7-minute walk.
Yeah.
Kaya.
Ayan, oy. Wala.
Kabangat pa sa bukan.
Okay.
Picture.
Kian is very excited
To see
to
the
see the
deer.
deers.
Yeah.
That bows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Alam gani ha, kagitabangan ni sa station.
Oh.
Since lisod ilocate ang kanang
Nara.
station. Dito sa gitabangan ni og taga Davao nga teacher siya diri sa Osaka. Ay dito sa Osaka. Okay.
See you there.
Yeah.
One. Oh.
Okay, go. Oh, no. Oh.
Let's go.
Napadong oh, naik kamay oh. Napa oh? Oh. Ha? Oh, di lagi. Yan, so we can see lots of deers. Dito pa lang sa sidewalk. Oo, wow. Look, andito na sila sa sidewalk, oh. Oh, cute. Cutie. Amazing. Apa diri oh? Yan. So amazing lang mga guys. Kasi hindi sila nagko-cross dun sa road. Ayan yung pagkain.
Dagan ito ah. Lain ba? Basta dito. Ano na pa kaya?
Sige.
Ano hindi? Wow, baw. Oh, patay. Oh, baw. Oh, very good. Bow again, bow again. Oh. Nasa likod mo. Wow.
Pwede mo may break. Picture ko ka. Eh, alam mo pang nalawit siya.
Huh?
Eh, ay, man. Saka ka picture?
Wala.
Wala tayo ka na.
Sige, sige, na-picture, na-picture. Baw dong, baw.
Ikuha ako.
Ah.
Alam mo, kag-ihag nga na, oh, bukang kita ko kuhan.
Kaso pag hindi mo na nabigyan, na parang hinahanap talaga yung pagkain. Oo.
Wow, ang basa dah.
Oh.
Ano ba sa pangit?
Sabi pamit niya.
From his mouth. Dami.
Ito, daggan kayo.
Dol. Baw. Oh. Ana kamot nimo. Murag ka pray niya baw. Ah, sige. Ana niya baw. Ah.
Ito, ba?
Bow to your master.
Bye-bye.
Oh, ang dami. Okay guys. So,
There's over there.
yeah, the deers are over there. And here is Dimple.
Temple, but there's you got to pay.
You got to pay 500 yen to enter the biggest temple.
Yeah.
Okay. So the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. Isa.
On to our next destination. Guys, we're in the train. Yeah, we're back in the train.
Yes, so we are back in Nara Station and saan yung train?
Kin something.
Kintetsu.
In that suit.
Yeah, Kintetsu. And we're going to Kyoto.
Kyoto
From na.
to visit Zoto.
Arashiyama Bamboo Forest.
Yeah, Bamboo Forest.
So first we'll go to Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Then yung bridge, I forgot the names of bridge. Then
Yeah.
monkey.
Sikiyan ko na sa mga.
No.
Mama doesn't want to go to the monkey.
Yeah, me too.
Ay, hindi ko kagyan ng mga wat na.
Hindi mo go.
Ay, hindi.
Train mo na.
Hindi mo ba manguha ang monkey dito?
Trains mo.
Oo.
Gi-train mo na. Kailangan ko.
Oo.
Sibutan na sa cage. Gi-train dyan na.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah,
It depends.
at the last stop is what?
Ayaw naman pumunta doon sa monkey kasi maraming stairs.
Yan.
Oo.
Pagoda. Pagoda ang person.
So, our last stop is the Kimono Temple ato. Yung temple ato yung tawag mo. So, may mga maraming kimono. So, let's wait until dark bago umuwi. Para, dahil yung mga kimono doon na parang poles, umiilaw. Maganda tingnan pag gabi.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, actually,
No, I was just saying na from our trip today is from Osaka to Nara to Kyoto, then back to Osaka.
yeah, it's smooth so far. Madali lang. Instead dun sa,
Except
except dun sa Nara, sa Osaka.
Osaka Station.
Osaka Station to Nara. Medyo nalilito kami. Buti na lang may Pinoy na lumapit sa amin. Para tulungan kami dun sa sakay. Okay, so it's confusing. Yun lang. So, train station so far dito sa Japan, hindi naman siya mahirap. Mag-Google Map ka lang. Google Map. Okay. And,
Google Maps.
tip,
Google Map and Mama Map.
tip lang. Pag nag-Google Map, dapat isa lang yung mag-Google Map. Kasi pag dalawa, baka iba yung tinitingnan nyo. Malilito lang kayo. Yeah. And, be sure na ang Google Map is hindi tawag
Parang train yun.
trained good at locations pala kasi hindi ako basta locations hindi ako malam.
Ako po.
Oo. Also Kian is not good with directions.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have the Google Map her.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why my right hand is
It's holding
always,
a phone.
and aside from that, balot na balot. Kasi malamig. So I always have my gloves
Yeah.
sa right hand, but on the left hand, pwede naman siyang iyan sa bulsa. Kasi etong isang kamay ko nakalabas palagi.
Yeah.
We're going to be riding 11 stops.
11 stops?
Now we're gonna
Yes, and then change to,
we're gonna change to Kyoto Station.
and then 7 stops.
Yeah.
7 stops to
Kyoto
Arashia.
Station Sunline.
So that's 18
Total of how many hours?
stops.
Hours
1 hour.
and
1 hour and 36 minutes.
So we're gonna go to the
And it cost us 1,000 yen. See?
yeah, 1,000 yen.
okay, see you there.
See you there. Okay,
See
so
you. Let's see you on our next stop.
See you in your next destination.
sa mga wala pa dito sa Japan tapos may ticket na kayo at iniisip nyo na mahirap ang train stations dito sa Japan, huwag masyadong mag-overthink. Maraming tumutulong dito. May mga Pinoy, may kahit mga Japanese. Matulungin talaga sila pag tinatanong mo kahit hindi sila nakakasalita ng English. Yeah. Okay, so see you.
Don't be overthinking too.
Don't overthink too much. Okay. So see you in our next destination.
The next stop is Shintanabe. Station number B16. After leaving Shintanabe.
Maglaga pa. Yes, we're outside the train and we're gonna walk 50, I don't know, minutes.
Arashiyama, Bamboo Forest.
Yeah. What is that?
Ah. Jesus.
Dia mau ke Inari, ke Siminari.
Hmm? Mm. Na, Bombo Forest na.
So, we're going to the forest over there. What's that?
눈이 별로 안 좋아.
같이 안 와. 아, 댄스.
그게 제일 없을 때. 그 뒤로 갑자기 사람이 이렇게 생겨.
괜찮다고. 그래서 보통 다 어디 갈 때?
뭐 있냐 했더니
뭐라니?
대파가 조금도 있고.
Ay, oo, meron.
Bro mo niya ta.
Oh, buhay. Buting-buting. Video sa. Hello guys, we are in Tokyo Beach. Nice. Okay. Na, yung color nang so good. Kimono Forest? Oh, station na. Lahos pa. Tully's Coffee. Ato na, kimono na. Tempat bang? Kana usiga ng kuan na murag bato. Gusto nga. Oh.
Horn. Ano? Ah, kabuhay siya. Basta kapit sa dragon that landed in Arashi Maya is right there. If you mention imagine to the water imagine you saw a beast and a really beautiful.
Is it down?
Ano?
So what is it about?
Wishes are granted if the dragon that landed in Arashimaya is prayed to.
Arashiyama.
Is prayed to. If you immerse your hands in the water, you will have the face and you will live. Wait, ano? Nothing is water.
Anyway.
Oh.
Hi guys. So we are going back to Osaka.
Asan aron?
Accommodation
Wait, sabi.
from Arashiyama.
Yeah.
So we just went to Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. the to
Kimono.
the bridge. That bridge
Go get
Yeah, that over there.
to get Tokyo
Yeah, that bridge in the background.
and the
That's true.
Kimono Temple.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Kimono Forest, sorry.
Yeah.
With the
And the
dragon, what is it?
Pond of Dragon.
Mhm.
Yeah, it is the called, called Pond of Dragon.
Yeah.
And
Okay, so that's the bridge over there.
I will tell you the story of that.
We're going to the train station.
Yeah.
We're going to ride the local train.
Yeah, the local train first. It's a connecting stations. Connecting stations tayo
Wow.
to Osaka.
Yeah.
Ang ganda! Parang may kinakonstruct pa sila dito.
Oh. That's why there's this barrier in the background.
Yeah.
There is barrier, but there is still water inside. There are birds. There are, I don't know, there are black dogs.
That's exposed.
I don't know. No, dito they crow mag-bath. Mag-bath. Naman. Dali. Isa.
Hi guys, so
Yeah.
part pala tong dinadaanan namin pupunta ng train station.
And
Yan, oh, yung daming pagkain.
wow!
Look,
Strawberry.
may shop.
Strawberry lang tanong.
Oh, yeah, palit may
But we're not-
tubig.
But we're not into strawberries.
Tubig.
Uy, baka ito ko ba yan?
Big.
650. Adi po
And
kayo.
we know how to use a vending machine now.
We
Yeah.
know how to use a vending machine now. So we're going
So
to cross a
we're
bridge.
gonna teach you how to use a vending machine. No. No, I'm just kidding.
Just kidding.
But here's a small
Here's a
section.
small bridge.
And
Okay guys, so this is a small bridge dito sa park. Okay. Kahit saan maganda. Yan o. May mga duck pa doon. Nice place. Ha? What can you say
unsa? Can you see about the unsa?
about this place?
It's very small. It's like a creek.
It's like a creek.
Yeah, it's the other section. So it looks like a water fight.
Tennis? Oh, badminton eh.
Oh, you.
Mm.
Badminton or tennis.
Huwag ka nang mamuwak ang cherry blossom. Cherry blossom mo na Nako kayo.
Ah, wow. Nangatanggal.
Cherry blossom. Bitaw, cherry blossom dito. Okay, kita ko flowers ready to bloom.
Oh,
Ready to bloom.
ready to bloom.
And that was the close naman.
Close pa.
Tugnaw pa kasi na dami tugnaw pa. Ano po na, dugmay. Wala na.
Kani nga park. Yeah,
This is the station, guys, over there.
we're almost there to the train station. Yay! Okay. So we are leaving the park. So that's the train station.
The train station. Yeah, the train station. What?
Okay, so we are here in the train station. Ayan oh, ganda ng feels ng train station nila. Ganda ng lights. Nice ang kuha ng lights. Nice.